Hi, and welcome to this video on the tools and materials that you're going to use for your mannequin. So to make the main structure of the mannequin, most of it is made from this, which is a length of cardboard edging. Now this is like the stock material that we're going to cut up into shorter sections so that you can make the pieces that will fit together for the mannequin. It's this one that I use. It's 1.2 meters long by 35 mil width, 3.5 centimeters by 35 mil width, or 3.5 centimeters. So this is a good length because you can wield it around without whacking into lights or ornaments or other people easily. If you go for the longer lengths, just be aware that it may bend or it does become very long to move around. Most desks are round about the 1.2 meter mark. So beyond that, we have a cutting tool. So I would suggest using the Forever Sharp carving knife, or it used to be called the World's Sharpest Knife. And this is a carving knife. It's as hazardous as, potentially hazardous as a kitchen carving knife, and it is by far what I have found to be the best cutting tool for this material. It cuts through it in approximately six strokes, 6 goes. It is sharp. It is not a good idea to leave it lying around when there are children, pets, or people who shouldn't be picking it up or misusing it around. But for this purpose of cutting the cardboard edging, it is great. So that's the main tool that we're going to use for cutting. A trusty pair of scissors can be very useful. It just means that you can cut off any ragged edges, essentially. And then beyond that, we have a tailor's measuring tape. Now this can be good for measuring body dimensions, and it gives a little bit of slack in it as well. Bit of flexibility and easy to see through. Plastic ruler, handy if you want to measure straights across curves. So you have a slight curve on something and you just want to make it straight. A stiff ruler can also help. Beyond that, I use a black felt tip pen, shall we say, one that is preferably thick, and that will allow you to see what you're cutting very easily. An angle poised lamp comes in handy to give you the light in your work area. You can employ other things such as clamps to hold the cardboard down if you so wish, or a G-clamp. Beyond that, I have a heat-resistant mat. So this is just a piece of slate essentially, but you can buy a heat-resistant mat, heat-proof mat. That is going to be a bed for your glue gun. So it'll be an electric glue gun. Plug it in. It takes about 10 minutes to warm up. Glue cartridge goes in the back. The glue cartridges that I've gone for, these are 11.75 millimeters in diameter by 300 millimeters long. There's about 2 packs of this will do for making your mannequin up, and about 100 pieces of this, so the 1.2 meter lengths, will easily make your mannequin. It'll give you some spare as well, just if you want to repair or if you want to change it in any way or add anything to it. If you want your glue gun to have a stronger stand, you can buy these as well. And in order to join blocks of the mannequin together, I've just used like blue rope. It's like tow rope. It's like cheap rope that you can buy. It does the job. If you want to use something more spectacular, you're welcome to. So those are the main tools and materials that I've used when making the mannequin.